Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your phone using your speaker JBL Charge 6. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And then at the back side of the speaker we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. After that, you need to press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. And as you can see, it starts charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!